Hey guys and girls, welcome to another episode of OKportugal. I'm Ken and today is Friday the 16th of April 2021. I'm on my way to Elkanes. I'm going to hop on my bike and cycle there. Basically I need to pick up some cat food. So yeah, as you can see it's a beautiful day and I'm being followed by chickens. Hopefully not all the way to Elkanes. Come on chickens. Chick, 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 chick. Check this out. Nando's gets first dibs. And then he's going to start sneezing, watch. There you go, chickens. There you go, Nando's. Oh, he's going to start sneezing soon. It's the dry powder and this makes him wheeze. Or today's going to be the first day he's never sneezed. Oh, there we go. There you go. Right, let's spread this out so you guys all get some. So for those of you that are new to the channel, we are halfway between Fundão and Castelo Branco in Central Portugal. And we have a beautiful farm there. It's 3.5 hectares. It's predominantly an olive farm and a vineyard, but it was used in the past as a sheep farm. We've been living here for just over 1 year really. It's an absolutely beautiful place. A big change of scenery from our previous lives, which was, you know, living in the city 1 hour south of London. And yeah, we're absolutely loving it here, you know. We recently had a little bit of a trial and tribulation where Gina broke her leg. And at the moment, she's the only one who can drive in Portugal. So unfortunately, that means that stuff like shopping is becoming increasingly difficult. So I'm on the bike. I'm heading into Elkanes today. And basically, I just need cat food. We've got a sick cat. If you've seen in our previous videos, she's got cancer and she has something wrong with her where she's eating a tremendous amount of food. So we go through an entire box of cat food a day. It's about 10 sachets. So yeah, I've just got to go to the shop, get some more. And in the meantime, we've had some really good friends of ours helping us out. I'm going to put my head down and try and push the whole way there. It's about 15-20 k's, so I'll check in a bit. All right, so we made it. We're here. I'm just going to lock up the bike, get some cat food. It's a beautiful day. It wasn't actually as bad as I thought. It's only 13.35 kilometers. Oh, here comes Mimo. Mimo! Come on, out the way. Out the way, don't get in front of the bike. It's not a good idea. Come on, girl. Wait. No. Come on, I'm turning. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Come on, out the way. It's gonna hurt. Come on. Hello, dog. So I'm here with Nick, and you've probably seen him in some of our other videos before. He was our knight in shining armor who came and drove Gina to the hospital, and you've probably seen him on some other YouTube channels actually. He's in Central Portugal. He's been helping out quite a few different YouTubers on different projects, and yeah, this is Nick, as you don't already know. And Nick is you're from
Cornwall in England.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are you doing in Portugal? Like, how did it sort of materialize that you went from Cornwall and you ended up here?
We saw your channel stuff. No. Well, basically, we're getting fed up with construction life and life in general in the UK.
Okay.
So we decided to see if we could afford to retire to Portugal, which it turned out we could. So.
Okay. And how long have you been here for?
Been here for 2 years, in April, so 2 years,
Okay.
just over. We moved to a little village 10 minutes away, Gardunha, which is just beautiful. We've got a 4-hectare farm.
Okay.
With, olive trees, figs, oranges, grapes, all the stuff that you've got here, basically.
Brilliant. Yeah. Yeah. No, we must. We must definitely come through and actually do like a little video and show people your setup if you're up for that at some point.
Yeah. Well, we've been busy for 2 years, so we've completely renovated the whole building. New roof, new floors, windows, doors, everything, all new. So.
Yeah, every time I come there, you've got some new, like building project on the go. And,
yeah, and we've added a few bits inside and we're landscaping the outside now.
Okay.
And yeah.
So your trade in England, you were basically doing building. You were doing civil engineering.
Started off as civil engineering in the early 90s, late 80s, early 90s.
Yeah.
And then for the last 10 years, we had our own construction business, mainly building. So.
Okay. Yeah, and at the moment now you're not actually working as a builder, but you just Well, no. What I mean is professionally. Yeah. It's not something that you're doing here as an actual
no.
trade
We didn't. We moved here on the premise that once we finished the work on our house, then we would be retired.
Yeah.
But
you keep getting stuck into little projects all over the place.
Yeah, I don't like seeing people in trouble. So
yeah.
People like yourselves need help, then we can.
Yeah. No, awesome. Yeah, it's been an absolute godsend because, as everyone probably knows, I'm a computer geek and a camera guy. I'm not really much of a builder, so it's been awesome to have Nick here to help us out. And I think the next time you see Nick, we're going to be over at his place and we're going to film his beautiful farm.
Ooh.
Yeah. Thank you, Nick.
No problem.
Yeah, let's get back to it.
Let's get on with it.
So I've been a bit bad with filming today because we've been quite busy. But yeah, thanks to Nick for coming around and helping us. He's obviously brought like his cement mixer, and he's got so much experience with building that it's really great. So it's about 6:30 now. Nick's gone for the day. He's going to come back again tomorrow morning, and yeah, things are looking pretty good. We've managed to make 2 of the seats. So there's one on this side. There's going to be one on that side tomorrow. There's going to be a staircase going down tomorrow. But today we've got 2 seats. So this one over here and this one over here. And I've put them so that when you're sitting on them, you can rest your arms up on the sides here, with your beer or whatever. Look out over the mountain, look out over the forest. So it should be pretty awesome. And then, we started on the staircase today. I say we, but actually Nick, because I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to building. So yeah, I've just been helping him. But the complicated part here was that we have this tap that basically drains the tank. So we've had to build a channel so that if we ever needed to replace this pipe, we can still unclip the pipe and replace it, and also when we need to drain the tank we can still open up this. But yeah, so here's the size of the staircase, and then we're going to have a railing going up the wall, and you can climb in the tank, climb down and go and sit in one of the 3 corners, or potentially sit you know, on top of the step here if there's 4 people. We're just about to start day 2. Nick is back, and yeah, we're going to get stuck in. Morning, Nick.
Good morning.
Hello. Just finished weeding the lady garden.
Finished weeding your lady garden?
Well, apart from a Brazilian strip up the middle that I can't reach.
So that's Gina's lady garden. And she can't reach her Brazilian strip at the moment. But yeah, this is the garden that we made for her a month or 2 ago, and she planted a whole bunch of seeds. Now you can see it's absolutely thriving in here. But since she broke her leg, she hasn't been able to weed it properly, so her bush is becoming overgrown. Hey guys and girls, it's, what is it today? Sunday the 25th of April 2021. It's 2:07 and we've got a mega storm going on out here. There's lots of hail, there's lots of flooding, and some friends of ours have popped around before it all started, and yeah, it's a crazy storm. Yeah, Iwan and Carissa came to pick up some olive oil, and now they're trapped here with us.
2 weeks later.
We did get a nice cheese toasty there, so
Yes. Yeah, no, well that fortunately happened before all the electricity went out. Yeah. And we got beer as well.
Got beer.
Yeah.
That's all we need.
And here's Frankie the sausage dog.
Have sausage.
Frankie sausage. So all nice and cozy. How are you, Gina?
I'm alright, I got cramp in my leg though.
Look, we've got a nice little fire on the go. It's all very cozy here. So the storm has passed, it's knocked out our electricity. So I've just got to get a screwdriver, and so I can see if I can turn on this electricity again. So yeah, let me just take the whole lot. There we go. Don't forget the beer, obviously. Right, chickens, come on, get out. Out, move. Go. Come on, chickens. So we've got a couple of rooms that have circuit breaker boxes in. We've got one in the house, we've got one in our solar room, we've got one in our pump house, and then we have the main EDP meter. And whenever the electricity trips out, we don't know which room it's in, so we have to like mission around and find it. So I'm going to start with our solar room, and it's not a solar system or an electrical solar system. It's a solar water heater, but I just call it the solar room. So yeah, let's get this key going. Everyone's inside. Listen to that. it's still quite gnarly sounding in the distance. Right, is that open now? Okay, so we've got a circuit breaker on here. They're all up. This one's down, but this one's only for a light switch. So it's not this room. Now the next one is our pump house, which is in the other field over there. I got myself some awesome German beers for my birthday. All thanks to Agat. She bought me some of these beers a while back, and they were so good that I had to order some more. Wow, look at this flooding. Crazy. So the electricity in Portugal can be a little bit temperamental, and yeah, especially during storms. We had a lot of crackling noises going on in the house. So hopefully these circuit breakers have done their job, because the last thing I want is to have damaged my computers, and then I can't edit these videos. So yeah. Anyway, here's the next room, our pump house. It's all very overgrown here. Just a couple of days of rain and we've got a jungle. So this is our pump room for our bottom, well, for our front field well. We don't really use this. This is more like an irrigation setup with an expansion bottle so that it maintains water pressure and a pump, but we don't usually use it. But the good part is this is where we've tripped, so that's great. It means that I don't have to reset the main circuit breaker, which is at the front of the farm here. Wow, listen to that. Yeah, because that one's a real pain. You need a screwdriver to open up the box. Anyway, let's turn this on, and then let's check with Gina if she's got power.
We are working.
We have power. Excelente.
Good morning. We're on our way to the hospital. So for our 9:30, 9:45 appointment, another X-ray, and
who are we with?
Theo and B.
Theo has magically appeared, and he's driving us. And B's here as well. And yeah, it's a good start.
To save the day. Obrigada.
How's it going?
It's alright. I'm just gonna wait for the doctor.
Oh.
They just took my cast off.
And how long's it been? It's like
3 weeks. 3 weeks yesterday.
3 weeks, and they've already taken off the cast. That's amazing.
How does it feel?
It feels scary.
I am loving the plastic bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Setting trends in Portugal.
Summer 2021.
So I need to do exercises on it.
And shave it.
Yeah, it's really hairy. And yeah, at least I can. I'm still gonna have to sit in the shower though, I think.
Yeah.
And I have to use both crutches for 2 weeks, and then I move to just one crutch.
Yeah.
And then I need to start exercising and just a little bit of weight bearing.
Okay. Hey guys, how's it?
Well, we'll get you off the road.
Yeah, we'll
Are you
park.
going for a brew over there?
We're going to go
the Hamburg area.
You want to join?
Yeah, alright.
Okay,
We'll
cool.
find somewhere to park. Yeah.
We are just going to go and get ourselves a hamburger, and we've also met up with a couple of other friends, so we're going to see them now. Carissa and Iwan, they were in our last episode, and obviously you guys know who the indie projects are, and if you don't know who they are, you got to check out their channel.
Burgers and chips. You know we like our food.
Yeah.
As you've seen from our videos, eating pizza every video, but yeah, I'm excited to try a new burger place out.
Yeah.
And hopefully get some nice veggie burgers.
You're having fun there, Gina.
It's a long way on crutches.
It is. It's slow going. So look who we bumped into. You've probably seen them in our previous video, and yeah, and Frankie.
Especially Frankie.
Frankie! So we finished in Castelo Branco, and it's about 5 o'clock now, and Theo and I are going to go fishing, and we've just driven outside the farm, and I've just noticed that we've still got a water bottle on top of our roof, which is pretty crazy. It stayed on the whole way. Theo was going to buy another rod at Decathlon because he doesn't have a rod with him, and then he thought it was going to rain, so he didn't, and now it doesn't look like it's going to rain. So
Bad idea, man.
yeah,
I thought it was going to rain. I thought it'd be a waste of money, and now I'm just going to have to watch Ken fish.
no, we're going to share. We're going to share the rod. We have arrived. So this is a like a fishing spot on the Marateca, or the Barragem de Santa Agueda, and there's like a bridge, and on either side of the bridge you can fish. We think the water is going to be a lot deeper, so it should be a good spot.
There's no better place to fish than under power lines, so
Of course, yeah.
should be good.
Yeah, we're using metal line as well. No, it's just nylon line. But we should be good.
So do, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, do not.
What happened now, dude? No. Oh no, look at this.
No, that's not going in.
Is that not going on? Okay. Are you sure?
No.
It's funny, dude.
No.
Okay, fine, I won't put it on here.
No.
So.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. Theo's just found like a creature down there.
I can't find any fish, but I've managed to find a bat. It's such a weird place for it to hang out. Right by the water's edge.
Yeah. Okay, so hopefully he's alive. So there's a bat, and he's holding on. Hey, he's alive. He just moved his arm.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
If he suddenly starts flapping his wings, I'm probably... Oh, wait, his wing's coming out. Yeah. I think I'm going to leave the bat alone. Let him do his thing. Oh, it's starting to rain.
Yeah.
It's not bad though, is it? Or do you think we're going to get pelted?
I think it might be it.
Yeah, I think this might be it.
Every time we come fishing, this is not Portugal. This is not what Portugal is about. It's meant to be sunny all the time.
Yeah. Oh well. Well.
So we can either go back or we can explore some lanes around the lake.
Yeah.
It's up to you.
Yeah, let's explore some lanes. Yeah, cool. I
See
like
if
the
we
sound
can
of
get
that.
stuck.
Okay.
Okay, that's not good. Okay, the truck has just died.
So we
again.
managed to get stuck without even trying. We can drive here with the Golf and we can jump start. That sounded good, yeah.
Yes.
There we go. Good girl.
Never let me down.
Is this car a male or a female? Or do we dare assume its gender? This is amazing, hey? Sunshine, it's warm, it's about what, 22 degrees?
It's like a tropical storm.
Yeah. It's a change of plans here. We're going to go up the Gardunha mountains. Yeah, that could be pretty cool. And we might run out of fuel.
And at least it's on a slope, so if the truck won't start,
Yeah, you can roll.
we can roll down or jump start it. Bump start.
The Gardunha mountains were named by the Moors, and basically Gardunha means refuge. So that's something I didn't actually know until I just looked on the phone now. This isn't actually my own knowledge, I've just used Wikipedia. But this mountain is 1,223 meters tall. I'm I'm gonna repeat that just in case you didn't hear it.
Rumble strips.
Yeah, so the mountain is 1,223 meters high, but that's from sea level. I think from where we are, it's only about 800 meters high. But yeah, I've been up there loads. Now Theo hasn't been up there before, so I want to go and show him what it's like up there. And so this is like St. Phil. I think it's a monastery. It was a monastery, then it was a school.
Now it's been taken over by sheep by the looks of it.
Yeah, now there's a bunch of sheep. But yeah, if we turn right here, this is the beginning of the dirt road. And this takes you all the way up the Gardunha mountains, all the way up to the top where there's a radio tower. Good fun. I love going up here. If you've seen some of my earlier videos, you'll see that I cycle up here quite often, or at least in the summer. And yeah, it's a great spot. Like all year round, it just looks so different. Right now there's lots of yellow from all the broom, yellow and white, lots of flowers. Winter time it's like, or sorry, summertime it's really dry. It's just a stunning place with these beautiful old granite rock formations. So this is quite steep. It doesn't look steep on the camera on what I'm looking at here, but it is pretty steep up here. Oh, there we go. There we go. So we're at a place called Castelo Branco, which is like, there's like some swings. So we're just going to go up there and check it out. There we go. This is Theo's first time up here. It's an amazing spot.
This is fun.
Central Portugal.
Turns out I got no signal.
Yeah. So I think.
So I turn around there.
Yeah, I think that's a turnaround spot because I don't know if there's turning around up there. But yeah, we are pretty much at the top now. And there's the big mast that we see from the farm. So we're at the top, but we're not going to get out and have a look because there's no point, because you can't see anything because there's clouds. Clouds, fog, mist, whatever it is. But yeah.
We've had the best of the day, I think.
Yeah. So we've just spotted like a little dam or something here. And we've got a fishing rod in the back.
Doesn't even look like you can get close, but
Oh, you're right. Yeah, well let's have a look.
it's gone really cold as well.
Yeah, I've only got a t-shirt. Right, let's have a look.
I mean, we're just getting desperate now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Just need a fish.
Yeah. I think we should just go to the shop and buy one and bring it home. Okay, cool. So, okay, great. So we're gonna.
Is she wanting me back, or was?
You want it back? No, she just wanted to know what you were doing.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, cool. When I get back, I'll make us some food. Yeah. So we've been gone for quite a while.
Yeah, I think B just wanted to know, like, are we alive?
Are we
What's
alive?
going on?
Are we alive? Did the fish catch us? So I don't know, do you think it's legal? I mean, it must be, because we've got licenses to fish on inland waterways, and this is not private property, so I can't imagine that we can't fish here. Wow, look at it up here, awesome. Are you getting hooked in weeds?
Yeah, it's just
Oh
weeds.
geez, look at that, yeah it is.
It's the best thing I've caught so far.
It's a vegetarian fishing trip.
Oh! No, I'm joking.
Ah!
No, that's it. Time to go home and have
Yeah.
some dinner, I reckon.
Yeah, it's pretty cold up here. I'm wearing a t-shirt, so I'm not exactly wearing the right stuff for being up here. It's starting to rain as well, but it's been pretty awesome. I love it up here. It's the first time Theo's been up this side of the Gardunha. Yeah, there we go. It's starting to rain now. Oh. Right, let's get out of this rain. Whew. Oh.
Good timing.
Yeah, dude. Brilliant.
That's really raining.
Yeah. Exciting stuff.
Excited until that window starts dribbling.
Oh, really? Is that what it does? Hey, like, is that what it does? Does it start dripping?
If it gets really hard, you might
Okay.
get a few drops on you.
Yeah. Okay, well that's not too bad. So that's the puddle of water. It's dripping a little bit.
Quirky vehicle.
Yeah. But it gets us up mountains.